Let's dive into the world of Oxford Nanopore Technologies, a company at the forefront of scientific innovation. Founded in 2005, Oxford Nanopore has rapidly become a global leader in the field of DNA and RNA sequencing, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in genomics. This company is a true game changer, transforming how scientists and clinicians decode the building blocks of life. Their technology is not just advanced, it's accessible, portable, and designed to empower researchers everywhere, from major hospitals to remote field stations. Oxford Nanopore's tools help unlock the secrets of our genetic code, providing insights that are crucial for understanding rare diseases, tracking outbreaks, and even developing new medicines and therapies. Their technology is used in over 100 countries, making a global impact. What sets them apart is their unique Nanopore technology, which sequences DNA and RNA in real time. This means results are available faster than ever before, revolutionizing diagnostics, food safety, and even environmental monitoring. Today, Oxford Nanopore's latest financial report highlights impressive growth and expanding market reach. Their revenue has surged, reflecting the increasing demand for their technology in both healthcare and research sectors. This success means more scientists and institutions can access cutting-edge sequencing tools, accelerating discoveries that have the potential to change lives and improve global health outcomes. In this video, we'll break down their financial results, demystifying the numbers and trends to reveal what they mean for the company's future and for the future of science itself. By understanding Oxford Nanopore's financial health and business strategy, we gain a glimpse into the future of medicine, diagnostics, and scientific discovery. This is more than just a story of numbers. It's a story of relentless innovation, global collaboration, and growth that touches all of our lives in ways we're only beginning to understand. Stay tuned as we explore Oxford Nanopore's remarkable journey and discover how their pioneering work is shaping the future of science and healthcare for everyone. Oxford Nanopore has delivered an impressive financial performance in the first half of 2025, with revenue reaching £105.6 million. This marks a substantial 28% increase compared to the same period last year, highlighting the company's accelerating momentum in the market. This remarkable growth is a clear reflection of the rising demand for Oxford Nanopore's innovative products and solutions. The company's technology is gaining traction across a variety of industries, from healthcare and research to agriculture and environmental monitoring, fueling this leap forward. Despite being a relatively young player in the tech sector, Oxford Nanopore is showing signs of maturity. Their financial losses are shrinking, which is a strong indicator that the company is learning to manage its resources more effectively and is on the right track. Adjusted losses have dropped significantly, from £61.7 million down to £48.3 million. This improvement points to better operational efficiency, cost control, and a more disciplined approach to spending. The combination of rising sales and disciplined expense management has been key to this positive shift. Oxford Nanopore's teams are working hard to drive revenue while keeping costs in check, which is essential for any company aiming for long-term sustainability. The company is now on a clear path toward profitability, carefully balancing rapid expansion with a focus on financial efficiency. Strategic decisions are being made to ensure that growth does not come at the expense of stability. Net losses have also decreased, reinforcing the trend of improving financial health. This is a promising sign for investors and stakeholders who are watching the company's progress closely. Oxford Nanopore's strategy is clearly resonating with customers. More and more clients are adopting their cutting-edge technology, convinced of its value and potential to transform their work. This strong performance is not just a short-term win. It points to the potential for long-term success and industry leadership. Oxford Nanopore is achieving rapid sales growth while simultaneously becoming more financially efficient, a rare and powerful combination in the tech world. The leadership team is steering the company toward profitability, which is a crucial milestone for any ambitious business. The company's upward trajectory is unmistakable, with every quarter bringing new achievements and stronger financial results. With a confident team and a clear vision, Oxford Nanopore is poised for long-term success and continued innovation. For investors and partners, this is exactly the kind of progress and performance you want to see in a forward-thinking company. Stay tuned for more insights as Oxford Nanopore continues its journey toward industry leadership and financial excellence. let's take a moment to clarify some essential financial terms that are crucial for understanding how companies operate and grow. By grasping these concepts, you'll be better equipped to appreciate Oxford Nanopore's financial journey and what their numbers really mean. First, let's talk about revenue. Revenue is the total amount of money a company brings in from selling its products or services before any expenses are taken out. Think of it as the starting point for all financial analysis. It's the top line on the income statement and reflects the company's ability to generate sales. For Oxford Nanopore, their reported revenue of £105.6 million comes primarily from selling advanced DNA sequencing devices, as well as providing related consumables and services to researchers and institutions around the world. Now, let's discuss loss. A loss happens when a company's total expenses are greater than its revenue. This is especially common for companies in high-growth or innovation-driven industries, where significant investments are made in research, development, and expansion before profits are realized. However, when a company manages to reduce its losses over time, it often signals that the business is becoming more efficient and is moving closer to profitability. This is a positive sign for investors and stakeholders. Next, let's look at gross margin. Gross margin represents the percentage of revenue that remains after subtracting the direct costs of producing goods or services. It shows how much money is left to cover other expenses and, ideally, generate profit. A higher gross margin means the company is keeping more profit from each sale, which is a sign of strong pricing power or efficient production. In Oxford Nanopore's case, their gross margin was 58.2%. This is a healthy figure, though it was slightly lower this year due to some one-time charges and increased costs. Still, it demonstrates the company's ability to generate value from its core business. Understanding these terms, revenue, loss, and gross margin, gives you a clearer picture of any company's financial health and future prospects. They are the building blocks for analyzing performance and making informed decisions. When we look at Oxford Nanopore's financials, we see a company that is not only growing but also making strategic moves toward long-term sustainability and success. Stay tuned for more insights as we continue to break down the numbers and explore what they mean for the future. Oxford Nanopore's growth is global, a sign of a resilient business. The Asia-Pacific region led with a 38.3% revenue increase, showing rapid adoption. EMEAI followed with 32.7% growth, highlighting strength in Europe and new markets. This broad growth provides stability, balancing regional slowdowns. Even in the Americas, they saw 16.9% growth despite funding uncertainties. Clinical market revenue grew by 52.9%, showing real-world healthcare adoption. This global and market diversity is key to their success. Oxford Nanopore's product sales reveal a fascinating growth story. The PromethION platform, their high-end system, saw a 59.6% sales surge. This growth shows confidence from major players in the field. PromethION's success is crucial for establishing industry standards. Minion sales dipped slightly, reflecting market evolution. Customers are upgrading to PromethION, a positive strategic shift. This transition marks a maturing company capturing more market share. Cash is crucial for any business, especially one not yet profitable. Oxford Nanopore had £337.3 million in cash by June 2025, a strong cushion. Cash reserves allow strategic investments for future growth. Their cash flow is improving, with more customers making upfront purchases. This indicates confidence in their technology. A strong cash reserve is a strategic advantage, enabling innovation. It provides security and stability, crucial for long-term success. Oxford Nanopore is growing smart, not just fast. Their financial strength shows prudent management. They are on a journey to profitability and market leadership. Stay tuned for more insights. The CEO's message is key to understanding a company's vision. Gordon Sanghera highlighted Oxford Nanopore's strong performance and strategy. He emphasized broad-based growth across regions and customer types. This shows a solid, diverse foundation, not reliant on one market. The PromethION platform's success was a strategic highlight. It signals a move to mainstream industrial-scale solutions. The CEO reassured that growth is paired with financial discipline. This balanced approach is crucial for sustainable success. Oxford Nanopore is focused on long-term value. Their leadership is steering towards a profitable future. Stay tuned for more insights. Oxford Nanopore's outlook for 2025 is promising. They reaffirmed their financial guidance, expecting 20 to 23% revenue growth. This confidence is rooted in strong trends and market expansion. Prometheon sales and global growth are key drivers. The clinical market opens new opportunities. Their strategy is delivering consistent results. Oxford Nanopore is on a path of sustained growth. Stay tuned for more insights. The big question: when will Oxford Nanopore be profitable? They aim for adjusted EBITDA break-even by 2027. This milestone shows a sustainable business model. Continued revenue growth and improved margins are key. Disciplined cost control supports this goal. The journey to profitability is a marathon, not a sprint. Their strategy balances growth with long-term sustainability. Oxford Nanopore is building a financially sustainable future. Stay tuned for more insights.